scars, collecting your jar of heart, tearing love apart. You're gonna catch a cold from the ice inside your soul. So don't come back for me. Who do you think you are? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? Are you good? Well, have you ever heard a stone that cries? Not because of the wind or the rain, but because of a broken heart? Well, I'm Raazqi from SMP Muhammadiyah Al-Kautsar Program Khusus. I am going to tell you the story about the legend of Crying Stone. Once upon a time, in a small village in Kalimantan, Indonesia, there lived a poor widow and her only daughter. The daughter was very beautiful, but sadly, she was also very spoiled, arrogant, and ungrateful. Despite their poverty, the mother always tried to provide everything her daughter wanted. The daughter hated being seen with her mother, especially when they went to the market. She was ashamed of her mother's old and rich clothes. So every time they went out together, she forced her mother to walk behind her. The villagers often watched this behavior with sadness, but the mother never complained. Her heart was full of love, and she accepted everything her daughter did with patience. One day, on their way to the market, they passed by many people. When asked who the old woman behind her, the daughter said that she was only a servant. The mother was heartbroken hearing her daughter deny the relationship. Tears welled up in her eyes, but she said nothing. At that very moment, something strange began to happen. The sky turned dark, the wind howled loudly, and thunder rumbled. Then, right before everyone's eyes, the girl's body started to turn into stone. From her feet, slowly creeping up to her head. The doctor screamed and begged for forgiveness. But it was too late. The transformation completed. She became a statue, a crying stone, with tears still seen flowing from her eyes. The mother could only weep, but deep in her heart, she hoped this story will be remembered. A reminder for every child to always love and respect their parents. And until this day in Kalimantan, people say the crying stone still stands. Silent, crying, forever telling a story of pride, regret, and a mother's unconditional love. No matter how far we go in life, we must never forget the people who raised us. Beauty fades, fame fades, but a mother's love is forever. Respect your parents while you still can, because regret has no voice, only tears. Well, that's all my story. Thanks for watching. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.